Okay guys, good evening. This is the Blessed Man, and in this video, like I promised you earlier on today, I told you that I'm going to be showing you a particular site where you can earn money on passive income. This is a very good website. I discovered the website and I have done some verifications and I've done some things. I discovered that this site is real. So the site I'm going to be introducing to you is earningclub.com. Earningclub.com. This site, I'm going to be showing you how you can register on this site. Um, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money on this site. I will also show you how you can earn on this site, and then some other things we're going to be doing on this video. So if you are new to my channel, can you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can be able to get notifications of all the videos that I drop every day. Please like this video, you know, give us a thumb up and make sure that you share this video to your friends. Do not be selfish about it. Okay? So right now let's dive into this particular website. Now, um let's see. So this is earning-club.com. But I'm going to leave the link to this site on the description of this video or in my Telegram group, Blessed Recommended Airdrop, or in my WhatsApp Recommended Airdrop WhatsApp group. I'm going to be dropping the link. You have to click on my link to register. The reason is because I am giving you this free. I am showing you this for free. So for you to reward me, you need to register through my link. And not only that, if you register through my link, then I'm going to bring you to my private network where I can teach you how to maximize your earnings here and then how to make money in other sites. So let's dive in. When you get to this site, you want to register, just click on register. You click on register, you enter your phone number, your password, repeat password, and then if you click on my link, the invitation code will appear here and you just hit register. So, but I have already registered, so I'm going to log in now. I put in my phone number, okay, and I just go ahead and log in. Boom, I am on this site. Thank you for joining Earning Club. Our online customer service is now available. Yes, good news. Due to enthusiastic response, Earning Club decided to hold a promo for new registrants with trial area by giving free $8 virtual currency and doing tax for 5 days. Total earned money can be withdrawn. You can see I just registered a free account here and I have this total of $8 virtual currency just to show you how these things work. But today I am going to be upgrading my membership so that I can earn more on this site. This is where I am right now. If I upgrade with $10, I'm going to be on this VIP one. If I upgrade with $50, I'm going to be on VIP 2 membership. If you upgrade with $500, you're going to be on VIP 3. And then if you upgrade with 3,000, you're going to be on VIP 4. 8,000 will make you VIP 5 members. And you can see the percentage earnings on this money. This is 0.45. This is 0.45. Then this one is 0.5 1,000%. This is 0.55. This is 0.6, and then so on and so forth. So in this site, all you need to do is to perform some daily tasks. Every day you have just 30 tasks to perform, and then you will make your money. So um, for us to be able to upgrade on this site, all you need to do is when you come here, you click on recharge, and then if I click on recharge, it will ask you how much do you want to actually recharge, how much do you want to recharge, $10, $50, $100, and so on and so forth. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be recharging $50. So I click on $50 and then I will click on recharge. Okay, so we're asked to send this specific amount uh, of dollar within 15 minutes. 49.99044 is what we're going to send to this address. Please, you are going to be using TRC, that is USDT, that is on Tron network, which is TRC. I'm going to show you on Trust Wallet. You can find it on Trust Wallet or you find it on Binance, but it must be TRC20. Do not use ERC20 or BEP20, otherwise it will not go. So what we're going to do now is I will copy this address. And then I'll go over to my Trust Wallet. I'll go over to my Trust Wallet and then, okay. Sorry about this. Okay, this is my Trust Wallet. And then my Trust Wallet, this is TCR20, like I told you now. So I'm going to be sending some money. I will click on send. I'm going to be click on send, then I will paste this particular uh, address here. Then I will enter $50 because that is what I want to send. Once I enter $50, I will click on continue. Then when I click on continue, all right guys, so this is the detail of my deposit. So I'll just click on confirm, and then pending transfer, $50 pending transfer. Okay, so let's get to see that once the transfer is made, we can go and then check it. Okay, so the money has been transferred. So if I go back to this particular uh, site here, I'll click on submit. And then I'll be waiting for my dollar to arrive, my this thing. So let me pause the video. Okay guys, you can see that my deposit has arrived in the account. I now have 50.443 in my account. So guys, this is how to actually deposit on your earning clubs account. Okay, the next thing I want to show you right now is uh, I want to tell you how to earn. How do you earn money on this particular site? There are three ways you can earn money on this site. There are three easy ways you can earn money on this site. So number one is by performing tasks. By performing tasks, once you register and upgrade your account by making some recharge, you recharge into the system every day. Every day you will have 30 tasks to perform, and when you have these 30 tasks to perform, all you need to do is to come here according to your grade level. If you have upgraded to VIP2, then this is the tax you are going to be performing here. If you have upgraded to VIP3, this is the tax that you are going to perform. If you have upgraded to VIP1, this is the task I'm going to perform. This one is just a special area which is called trial. They will give you trial for just 8 days, 5 days for you to perform task and then earn some money. They are going to deposit $8 into your account, and then you will use it to do trial on this account. So I've done my task. I did it in the morning. If you look at my account right now, you can see 30 over 30. So I can no longer perform any tax again. Uh, I can no longer perform tax. So for you to perform a tax, I'm going to do another video probably by tomorrow or next, anytime I have time in the morning to do a video on how to perform a tax. I will show you that video. So that is how you can earn money performing tax. Yeah, this tax does not take much time. It will take you just like 15 minutes to complete the 30 tasks. And then once you have completed the 30 tasks, you would have earned the total money that is meant for your level. You know, I'm going to explain to you also the amount you have to be earning in each of the level that you have upgraded. Maybe I'll do that later. So another way you can earn on this site is by referral. By referral. So if you want to refer, quickly come here, click on referral, and this site is very very wonderful that you can earn up to 3 levels: level 1, level 2, level 3. That is, if you invite A invites B, B invites C. You're going to earn 8% from A, you're going to earn 4% from B, and you're going to earn 1% from C. So guys, it's a huge passive income for us here. If you can just share your link with your friends. So all you need to do is to come here and copy your link, paste it in your notepad, do a small write-up, and then share your link to people. And as they join you, you are going to be earning bonus, and this your bonus will be increasing your total balance, which you can actually use to upgrade to other level, and also you can earn from it. Then thirdly is um, um, to become for you to earn again. Another way to earn in this site is through um, dealership. For you to become a dealer, you know, for you to become a dealer, once you are a dealer, you can earn a lot of money here. So these 3 ways to earn on this site, like I explained: number one, perform tax; number two, refer people; number three, become a dealer. For you to become a dealer, you can see, become a dealer and earn more than $1,800 monthly. Contact the customer care or customer support to apply. All you need to do to become a dealer is to contact them. You can click on click on it, and maybe chat them up, or you can call them and then ask them how you can become a dealer. When you become a dealer, look at what you earn. If you become a dealer, if you refer if you refer 3 people, you are going to be earning um, if you refer 3 people, you'll be earning $10. 10 people will give you $40. Then 20 people will give you $90. 50 new valid users will give you $240. 100 new valid dealers will give you 520. Why 300 new valid users, they will pay you 1,000 800 what's it called, $800. So that is why I said that you can make up to $2,000 from this particular site we're talking about. This is aside what you're getting from all your referrals in this site. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you other things, how to perform tasks, how to withdraw on this site, how to promote it and make more money. I will show you in my subsequent videos. Subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you can get every video that I drop and when I'm going to be doing an update on this particular site. This is a wonderful passive income site that you can use to add some extra income to what you're doing monthly. So thank you very much. This is the Blessed Man. See you in my next video.